How to partition and name drives in Windows. Improve file organization on the hard drive of your HP computer by creating and naming partitions. You can shrink your Windows drive to create unallocated space to make room for a partition. In Windows, select Start, type Disk Management, and then select Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions. When making changes to your computer, do not delete, modify, or store files on the System, Recovery, or Factory Image partitions. Right-click the C drive, and then select Shrink Volume. The drive is checked for available free space. Adjust the amount of space to shrink, and then select Shrink. Space on the drive is reallocated, and the part of the drive that was shrunk displays as unallocated space. Right-click the unallocated space, and then select New Simple Volume. In the wizard, select Next. Adjust the volume size or select Next to accept the default size, which uses all unallocated space. Select a letter to assign to the new partition, and then select Next. If desired, change the file system type, allocation unit size, or enter a name for the drive. A quick format is faster than a normal format, but does not fully erase any existing data on the volume. Clear the checkbox next to Perform a Quick Format, and then select Next. Review the new partition settings, and then select Finish. The partition is created and then displays in Disk Management. If a window opens displaying the drive contents or an autoplay window opens, close it. When the formatting completes, you can start storing data on the drive. You can delete a partition and then add the unallocated space to expand another partition on the drive. Right-click the volume or partition you want to delete, and then select Delete Volume. Deleting a partition or volume removes all data that exists on that section of the drive. Back up any data on the drive, and then select Yes. The partition is deleted and displays as unallocated space. To add the unallocated space to an existing partition on that drive, right-click the volume you want to expand, and then select Extend Volume. Select Next, and then select Next again. Select Finish, and the space is added to the volume you chose. If you have a drive that has not been assigned a letter yet, or if you prefer a letter other than the one assigned by Windows, you can add, change, or remove a drive letter in Disk Management. Right-click the partition or drive you want to modify, and then select Change Drive Letter and Paths. If the partition was recently created, but not assigned a drive letter, select Add, and then follow the prompts to assign a drive letter. Otherwise, select Change to assign a different drive letter, or Remove to unassign a drive letter. Follow any prompts to complete the change.